to open my tin package. I ordered this, I think, 5 or 6 days ago. And this is my first time ordering from Temu. God, look at these cute socks. This is a kind of essential oils that I ordered for this unique one. The oil spare. There's no lid. It's a mini light TV that you can fix to your phone, right?
Yes.
And this is. Are you ready, scissor? Are you ready, scissor? Glass straw. I'm a bit scared, right? And it's bigger than I expected. This was just 30 cents, 30 cents. I ordered this punch needle set with all these threads. I wasn't sure about the sizes that I should get, so I bought this and of course that one is cute and it's big. It has all these pockets inside the bag, so I can put my lunchbox, my water bottle, everything, my tab, phone, everything inside this box. We're done, right?